My experience with Abacus has been amazing. They have been out to my home extra a few times. I'm actually a VIP member, so I'm very happy to say that. The last experience that I had with them, I was having issues with my water heater. I have a tankless water heater, and I called them the same day, and the same day they had someone to be able to come out. And especially with having the snow and the cold this week, it was very helpful that they were able to come out immediately because nobody wants to have cold water on a cold day. So being able to take showers again, hot showers again, was remarkable. They found the issue and fixed it immediately. It wasn't anything serious, and so they were able to fix it. They also recommended some other services that they had, but the one thing I enjoyed about them, they were definitely not high pressured. I did not feel like I was going through some sales pitch, but they were just very concerned and letting me know some of the services that they offered. They also went ahead and scheduled me to have my electrical system to be evaluated. Being in a new home, it's about 2 years old now. It was still a good feeling to know that even though I went through the inspection, they didn't find anything, and so it made me feel good that I do have a solid home, and that I felt secure in knowing that if I should run into any problems, being a VIP member, Abacus would be able to come right out and help me with any of my electrical, plumbing, or AC needs. I would highly recommend Abacus to family and friends. Actually, I've already told my neighbors about Abacus, and one of my neighbors, she has signed up with them, so as a member of the VIP membership. So I highly recommend Abacus, and I will always call them if I need anything at all.
Abacus Plumbing, Air Conditioning, and Electrical. You can count on us.